How you doing, everybody? This is Chris of Rugi Subaru. Common question that we get all the time is, how do I set up the Bluetooth in my new Subaru? So I'm going to show you on this brand new 2025 Forester. Here's the home screen in the Forester. First place you're going to go is right to this button. It looks like it has two phones and a cog on it. You're going to tap that, and then you're going to hit add. And you're going to see this screen. You're going to go on your phone, tap settings, Bluetooth, and wait for Forester to show up here at the bottom. Tap on Forester, hit pair, and allow. Now it's connecting to the Forester. This can take up to 20 or 30 seconds. Once it's connected, it's going to ask if you want to use CarPlay, because this is an iPhone. On the screen here, you're going to say yes for Apple CarPlay, and if you're the primary driver, you're going to hit yes for favorite device registration. If you have the limited 2025 Forester, the wireless charging pad comes standard. So you place it down right there. If you see the amber light, that means your phone's charging. It'll also tell you right here on Apple CarPlay that your phone is charging. And there you are. Your phone's completely connected. If you have any other questions about the 2025 Forester or any other vehicle in our lineup, please feel free to reach out to us on social media or through our website. Thank you so much, and we look forward to helping you.